Good morning, dear students. In our previous video, I have given you one homework that you have to measure your footprint with your friend. Okay, and then you have to find out that whose footprint is longer, whether your footprints, either your friend's footprint. Okay, here now next we'll continue. There are 4 animals is given. One is baby Rihano, that is the hippopotamus, and next is the elephant, then next is ant, and no, fourth one is sparrow. Now these 4 are trying to measure their footprint and they are trying to find out the area of their footprint. Now first baby Rihano says that that body is covered with many skin folds. Okay, सो दैट वो कूल एनवायरनमेंट में अच्छे से रह सकते हैं और उसकी वजह से उनका जो फुटप्रिंट है वो बड़ा होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि उनका पूरा बॉडी है वो पूरे स्किन फोल्ड से कवर है. ठीक है. देन नेक्स्ट इज द एलिफेंट. व्हाट इज़ द एरिया ऑफ माय फुटप्रिंट? एनिमल ऐसा सोच रहा है कि मेरे फुटप्रिंट का एरिया क्या होगा. देन आंट को तो पता है कि हम मुश्किल से उनको आंट को देख पाते हैं, तो हाउ वी कैन मेजर देयर फुटप्रिंट. द नेक्स्ट इज द स्पैरो. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज गैस विच एनिमल्स फुटप्रिंट विल हैव द सेम एरिया as yours. Okay, then discuss. You have to measure the various animals footprint and discuss the area. Then here are some footprints of animals in actual size. Guess the area of their footprint. Okay, here one activity is given. There is a footprint is given of tiger. Okay, what you have to do is, here as you can see in a one fingerprint, you have to make a whole, you have to take out the whole square. Okay, half आपको नहीं लेने. Then you have to draw the rectangle as much as you can draw. Okay, then you have to find why we need to draw this type of rectangle inside the footprint, because it helps to find the area faster. Okay, so in the activity you will have to do by your own, that you will have to make a small rectangle of about your choice, and then you will have to find out the area. Okay, so this way you have to draw the rectangle in whole footprint and count the area. See how you can 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this is the 9 square centimeter. Okay, you have to count the squares. Clear? Now next is how many squares in me. Okay, now the first, what is the area of this triangle? This girl is asking about what is the area of this triangle. Okay, because here 2 square is given in which this square is divided into 2 parts. Okay, so that we get the triangle shape. ये जो दोनों स्क्वायर है उनको हाफ पार्ट में डिवाइड किया गया है ताकि हमें ट्राइंगल मिल सके. द ट्राइंगल इज हाफ द रेक्टेंगल ऑफ एरिया 2 square centimeter. Now there are 2 squares. Okay, so it is obviously that this rectangle area is 2 square centimeter. Okay, so but this area is divided into 2 halves. Then what is the area of the triangle? It is obvious. What is the half of the 2? It is the 1 square centimeter. Clear? Now next is this shape half of the bigger triangle? क्या ये जो शेप है ये रेक्टेंगल का हाफ है कि नहीं है? फर्स्ट यू नीड टू लुक एट दैट. ओके, आप देख सकते हो कि यहाँ पे जितने भी गैप्स है वो दिस ऑल आर द इक्वल्स. ओके, ये ब्लू कलर का जो पार्ट है आप वाइट कलर के पोर्शन के साथ कंपेयर करोगे तो दोनों के दोनों सेम ही है. Okay, now this shape is the half of the big triangle. So what is the area of that shape? कैसे पता चलेगा? First we need to find out the area of rectangle. Okay, so how many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so total 8 square centimeter. But if we want to find out the area of blue shape, then what is the half of the 8 square centimeter? 4. Okay, so this blue square shape area, so blue shape area is 4 square centimeter. Clear students? Now write the area of the shapes below. आपको नीचे दिए गए जो भी है उसके एरियाज आपको लिखने हैं. ठीक है. देन व्हाट यू नीड टू डू? फर्स्ट यू नीड टू काउंट दी होल स्क्वायर्स. ओके, जो पूरे जो स्क्वायर्स है वो आपको काउंट करना है पूरे. इट मीन्स व्हाट कि आपको पहले ऐसे लाइन बनानी है, देन इट विल इजी टू फाइंड आउट दी एरिया. नाउ फर्स्ट नीड टू राइट डाउन द कितने होल स्क्वायर है, कि कितने मीन्स के होल स्क्वायर. तो 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 आर दी होल स्क्वायर. अब हाफ स्क्वायर कितने हैं? 1 and 2. ओके, हाफ स्क्वायर कितने हैं? 1 and 2. So your 1 and 2 half is 1 half and 1 half. It makes the whole 1 square. Okay, then need to find out the more than half. मोर देन हाफ वाले स्क्वायर कितने हैं? तो एक ही है. ओके, तो यू कैन काउंट इन दी 1 full square. So this will be a 5. Okay, then this square you can count, it is a less than half. वो हाफ से भी छोटा है. So you can count the half. Okay, now 5 plus 1 6 plus 0.5, so you will get 6.5 square centimeter. This way you have to count the area of the given shape. Clear students? So this is your homework that you have to do. It will be asked in exam also, that find out the area of the given shape. Clear? Now next, try this triangle. First of all, here one whole rectangle is given, in which you can see there is two types of triangle is given. Okay, one is the red in color and another one is blue in color. Now compare this triangle. Both the big triangles in this rectangle have the same area. समीना है वो क्या कह रही है कि ये दोनों के दोनों ट्राइंगल है वो रेक्टेंगल में है, राइट. तो उनके भी सेम ही एरिया होंगे. बट सादिक क्या कह रहा है कि वो कह रहा है कि दोनों दिखने में तो अलग है. दो दे आर ट्राइंगल बट दे लुक्स वेरी डिफरेंट. ओके, सो व्हाट ही विल डू? The blue triangle is half of the big triangle. First you need to focus on one triangle. Either you will focus on the red one, either you will focus on the blue one. First it is easy to focus on the blue one because it is the half of the triangle. Okay, sorry, it is a half of the rectangle. Now the area of the big rectangle is 20 square centimeter. Okay, so the area of blue triangle is how much square centimeter? Okay, क्या बोला है कि ये पूरा रेक्टेंगल है, उसका हाफ क्या है? ट्राइंगल. ये रेक्टेंगल, ये उसका हाफ ट्राइंगल है. तो अगर ये पूरा का पूरा एरिया 20 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर है, देन व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ दिस ब्लू ट्राइंगल? तो उसका ब्लू का ट्राइंगल का एरिया कितना होगा, 20 का हाफ कितना होगा, 10. तो द एरिया ऑफ ब्लू ट्राइंगल इज 10 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. And what about the red triangle? Samina asked. Then what about the red triangle? If the blue triangle is half of the rectangle area, then what about the red triangle? So he said, oh, in it there are two halves of two different rectangles. Okay. यहाँ पे क्या है कि ये जो रेक्टेंगल को दो इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड कर रहा है. एज यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर, ये रेक्टेंगल को 2 डिफरेंट पार्ट में डिवाइड कर रहा है. नाउ वी फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द 2 ट्राइंगल. Sadiq is talking about what is the area of the red triangle and explain. First, what you need to do, you have to count the whole full square. कितने full square है वो count करने हैं पहले. Then 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Then more than half है that you will have to consider in the full triangle only. Full square only. Okay. So as here we have done, this way you have to find it out the area of this red triangle. Okay, so this is you have to do by your own. Now next is about the complete the shape that we will do later on, because it is in a practice also. It is that you have to do by your own only, but I will give you in a next time in a homework. Okay, so today we will keep this only. So we'll meet in our next class. Till that, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you. God bless you all.